Hey, good afternoon, it's Coach Jackie here. My good friend, Coach Sturm. Okay, today we're going to learn how to defend almost like a sucker punch, okay? So basically I'm just standing on, minding my business, and this guy's, I don't know who he is, just going to try and grab me from behind and sucker punch me in the face, okay? So we try our best to show a technique how to protect yourself. We're going to go slow first couple times, we'll go full speed, okay? So I'm standing here minding my own business, and then this guy, I don't know who he is, got me from behind, he's going to turn around, trying to slide sock me in the face, okay? So go again, slow. Since he does that, I go down right away. It's all about reaction, okay? From here, I'm going to slide under, okay? I don't want to get an elbow in his face with this hand, so what I do is, as soon as I slide over, I'm going to grab right here. You see what I mean? I grab right here, and my left hand is going to grab his face. When you control someone's head, you control the body. So I control his body because he has to go, because I want to break his neck. From here, I'm going to turn almost like 180, and at the same time, I'm going to pull my left hand backward, and then turn 180, and let this hand go and swing like this to the throat. Straight through now, okay? From here, a couple times in the face if you want to, okay? One more time, go slow. So from here, okay? Here, down, okay, grab. Control his face, his chin, okay? Pull him back this way, turn 180, okay? And then from here, this hand swing gets his throat, but go slow. So you want to injure your training partner. Boom. Okay, open him up, punch him in the face a couple times, or rib cage, okay? That's open, okay? One more time. Nice. 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 Okay, let's do it again from the other side. This side. Okay, so I'm here in my own business. Nice. 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 Okay, again. One more time. Nice. 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 Okay, again. Facing this way. You're going to go slow. From here, he's going to turn around, come under, slide under. From here, grab throat, grab his hand, turn 180, pull his neck down. At the same time, turn 180, pull his neck down, hit, boom. Okay? Turn the face a couple times. Or the groin if it's open, okay? One more time. For training purpose, go slow. You don't want to injure your partner's neck, break his neck, okay? Or her neck. Again. Under, grab, same time, control, turn 180. Wham, hit, throat, boom. Groin, 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 face, okay? Next arm. And again, that's a basic self-defense against almost like a sucker punch, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please email us any other video technique would you like to see, okay? Thank you and have a nice day. Again, thank you to Sir for his help. Thanks.